Hello and welcome. This is Bijan Hoshiar. This lesson provides an overview of data science by defining data, data types, and identifying some of the digital forensic tools for data collection. By filling forms, posting to social media, and consenting to website policies, we volunteer some data about ourselves. Organizations collect data about us by watching our actions. Therefore, they can know about our location, stores, and websites that we frequently visit. As a result of that, our personal styles, likes and dislikes, and our habits can be inferred from our own actions. Wherever we go and things that we do is a new source of data. Data comes in variety of sizes and formats. Data is being generated from sensors, devices, video, audio, networks, log files, visiting websites and posting to social media. Data can be either qualitative or quantitative. Qualitative data is non-numerical in nature. It is descriptive. Text can be used to represent such data. It can be collected through surveys. Quantitative data is numerical in nature. It could be either discrete or continuous. Discrete data can only take a certain value. For example, whole numbers or integers. 1 is always 1, 2 is always 2. No other value can be taken by those two numbers. Continuous data can be represented in a variety of ways. For example, average speed of a car per distance. All pieces of data have a feature called data type. Data type will tell applications how to treat the data. Different data types include string, integer, floating point, date and time, and Boolean. About 80% of the data that is generated is unstructured, which means it cannot be organized into rows and columns, and they are usually stored in a non-relational databases. Structured database makes up about 10 to 20% of generated data. They are easy to search and analyze. They are usually stored in relational databases. Internet has changed the way that we live, play, and work. We live in an era of Internet of Everything, which means everything can be done on the Internet. Internet of Everything has affected the amount of data that is created, exchanged, and stored every day. This huge data is called big data. In addition to Internet of Things, other contributing factors to data growth include increased Internet access, greater access to broadband, use of smartphones, and popularity of social media. Data in computers is represented in form of binary zeros and binary ones. Smallest unit of information is a bit, which could be either a binary 0 or a binary 1. Grouping of 8 bits will create a byte. Forensic data recovery is different from traditional data recovery. In forensic data recovery, we are retrieving digital data as evidence that can be used in legal proceeding, and it must not be altered. This evidence can be collected from emails, browsing history, and sometimes from deleted files. As in traditional data recovery, we are mainly concerned about creating a backup of our data by copying it and storing it somewhere and restore that data in case our data is accidentally deleted or corrupted. There are commercial and open source software tools to extract data while it is stored in a location, whether it is public or private, or when it is in transition as a packet over the network, or even when it is being processed by CPU and it is stored in a cache or RAM. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video and you found it informative, please don't forget to recommend it to others who may be interested. Thank you.